Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make a passport size photo with suit for free. Let me show you how to do that.
Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos.
Yes, from my laptop I just have some photographs over here, so I just want to make this photograph as a passport size photograph. What I have to do here, without using any other software, I can make it. So it's a simple and easy trick. Just open Google Chrome browser and just search cut out Pro passport photo. So this is a beautiful website. I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the cutout pro passport size photograph. It's a AI, so you can have access, so you can change your photograph, your suit and your background, whatever models you want, you can have access with you. So what you have to do here, so just log in with your Gmail account or any other account. You just upload or drag and drag your photos. For example, my photos is my downloads, so I just want to copy or drag and drop my photo and to that website. So I drop this images over here, so automatically the image will be open here. So as you see here, my photograph will be remove the background color. So here there will be a different types of picture custom size will be there. So Australian passport size, Austria passport size, what are the Bangladesh, all the countries has a different types of passport size. So if you want to go passport office or any other things, means you need this kind of custom size over there. So you can choose which model you want and you can have access with you. So just click just select German and just click done, means automatically my photos will become over here. So you can continue with this and you can have access with whatever you want. You can have access. For example, I just want to change the dress or any other things, I can make it according to my needs. What I have to do here, so here there will be a colors. For example, you want to change a background color over there in the blue or dark blue or a gradient or any other color purposes you want, you can have access. For example, some important photographs may have a different types of background color, you can choose according to your needs. And if you want to change the dressing styles, here there will be a dressings option over there. So if you want to wear the coat, or if you want to wear the shirts, or if you want to wear any other things, you can have access. See, similarly you can have a coat or any other things, you can have access and you can make your passport size. For example, if you wear your photos into the t-shirt, if you want to change your eye contact is different, automatically the A will be different types of A will be have your photographs with a different ideas. So use this passport size and you can have access. So before that, this or this, and now the passport size is ready. So now I can save the photos and I can have access. For example, if you want to change the outfit for the men or women and children's, you can have access. For example, women and children's also will be available. You can change and you can check it out. For example, if you want to have a fun, you can make it your passport size into the different types of things. So yes, if I'm using my image into schooling size, I can make it according to my needs. So using this option, you can use your passport size photograph. So just save your photographs with this and you can done your photographs whatever model you want, you can have access. So you can download as a HD format and you can access your passport size photographs as you see here. So this is a beautiful option. Using this option, you can have your passport size photograph with the different options you use without any other software. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.